Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I picked up two of these wheel dollies and I'm going to put my car on them so I can move it around my garage very easily. After opening the box, you can see there's two additional boxes. These are the wheels. And there's some instructions. And then the plates. I'd appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button to help me grow this channel. There are two sets of wheels. One set is just all swivel and the other set is swivel with a lock. As shown in the instructions, the locks go on the long side of the plate, not the short side. The reason for this is when you put your car on these, you can lock the wheels from the outside and not have to try to reach around your tire to lock them. These are very easy to assemble. You just unscrew the nut, take off the two washers, put in the wheel from the bottom, put the flat washer on, then the lock washer, then the nut. For this set, to tighten up the nuts, I'm using a 3/4 inch socket and my impact and just hitting it a couple ugga times to get it tight. And just like that, we have two now. And then I got all four of them together, ready to put my car on them. After putting my car on them, I was shocked how easy it was to move my car around. This is going to make a huge difference when I'm working on other projects and have to move my car or any other thing I'm doing around the garage. So that's a wrap for this little project. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.